Backyard Builder here. Well, we're continuing on with our project here of fixing the cracks in the wall, and we've got the ports over our crack, and we've got the cement over the crack now. And the next step in fixing our crack is going to be to actually do the foam injection. So what we're going to do, I put the plugs in here temporarily just for storage. We want to take those out now, and we're going to get our epoxy gun handy. Now, make sure you have disposable gloves. They come with the package when you buy it. Now, I'm using Sika PU, and it's a two-part epoxy. Now, it comes in a dual tube, and you need a special dual gun to dispense this stuff. Now, most hobbyists are probably not going to have one of these, so you're going to have to go to a rental shop to rent one, or see if you can borrow one from a local construction company. Yeah, these are expensive and they're not very common, but you do need a dual gun in order to dispense the solution. So what we're going to do here, we're going to grab our rubber gloves here. We're going to get them on because this stuff is impossible to get off your hands, pretty much. So you don't want to be getting it on your hands. And now this is almost like the foam that comes in the can in a way. Basically what it's going to do, it's going to foam up, and it's going to fill that crack. And we're going to start at the bottom of the crack, and we're going to fill until it comes out the port, and then we're going to go on to the next port. So to get this thing started here, we just take the top off there, unscrew that, and then we undo our plug. Now this is a special mixing tube. It's got spirals in it built on the inside, and it actually mixes the solution as you dispense. So you just put that on, make sure it's nice and tight. Wonderful thing about this, keep your cap clean, and you can reuse this later. Except for the tube, you have to get another dispensing tube. But now it's just like a regular caulking gun. All you do is you just simply put it into your tube and press hard and dispense. And like I say, start at the bottom and just dispense into the hole until you see the product start to come out the hole above. Well, this stuff is super expensive. There we go. Oh, that broke through there. Broke through the cement, actually. So we'll just go on to the next hole. Now what we're going to do with the extra in the tube here, we're going to put it down this crack that we chiseled out, and we're just going to, this stuff is really fluid, so it'll go between all the, find all the nooks and crannies for us, and it'll just fill those up, and then as the foam cures, it'll close off any leakage that was there. And then once this it is all done, then we will there we go. Then we will cover this all with cement again. I'm thinking that's about it for our tube. That's okay, this is the portion where it was leaking anyway, so the rest of it I'm just gonna have another solution for. That's about it. That's all she wrote. Anyways, we'll just let that cure for a couple hours, and then when that's done, we break these little plastic tubes off, and we're ready to build our wall. That's all there's to it. Okay, so now our wall's had time to cure, and it's nice hard foam here. Same thing along the floor, it's all nice hard foam. And basically what you just do is just go along and just snap all these little ports. You just snap them right off, and well, they should snap. Yeah. Okay. Now to take these little knobs off, all you do is you just simply knock them off like that. They break off easily. Or you can use a pair of scissors or a utility knife or whatever, and just break those all off, and then once you get all that done, then you're all cleaned up, and now you're ready to start your project. The foam along the floor, I'm just going to take a knife and I'm just going to razor that and take that off, and take the excess off. And then I can get my framing right in there, so that that small crack that's back in the corner there, we're just going to continue to patch that with plywood top by excess as I originally planned. It's just a small crack. There's there's no evidence of water penetration there, so that's how we're going to take care of that. But the rest of this, we're just going to, once it cures a little more, it's still a little soft here. But you just take a knife and you just cut that off, and then you're ready to put your framing or whatever you're going to do. Just put it right in that corner. And that's about all there is to it. Have a good day.